Jai Srimanarayana. 19th sloka of 9th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Tapami aham varsham nigruhnami utsrujami cha amrutanchaiva mrutyuscha sadasachaham Arjuna. Om. Sri Krishna Paramatma is the cause of your existence and the cause of existence of all beings in this entire universe. Sri Krishna Paramatma is the heat, is the rain, is the present, past and future, everything. You are an expression of Sri Krishna Paramatma. You do not want to go against Sri Krishna Paramatma. For that you have to understand Krishna Paramatma's feelings, expectations, expressions and everything. For that you have to give a reading to Srimad Bhagavad Gita every day. And also try to come up with this kind of Gita Stupa establishment in your hometown, which is only the solution for all problems that your people in your hometown can possibly come across. For this stupa, the most interesting part is to arrange one random sloka coupon. Every visitor comes and gets one coupon on which chapter number, sloka number randomly they get. By reading that sloka, by searching for that chapter and by reading that sloka, by reading that meaning, they will definitely get an answer for all their questions and solution for all their problems, and they will get a high level peace of mind. Please come up with this kind of concept and establishment of Gita Stupa in your hometown. Simultaneously start giving a reading of this Bhagavad Gita at your home every day. Only with all this, when all the entire world comes up with this kind of concept, that is when lokaha samastaha sukhino bhavantu, peace of the entire world is possible. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I realize that you are the cause of my existence. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall come up with this kind of establishment of Bhagavad Gita Stupa in my hometown, through which all your expectations and feelings are understood by hometown people and they can solve their problems. They can come to your feet and surrender to you. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. Sriman Narayana, karishye vachanam tava, sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukhamukadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano viraha katara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమద్భాగవతము దశమస్కంధము 10th స్కంధం 95th డే. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogendra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Trunavarta is dead and Krishna Paramatma, Balakrishna, came out safely from that big danger. After seeing all this, Nanda and other Gopalas thinking like this, Kimna tapaha chirnam adhokshaja archanam purta ishta dattam bhuta sauhrudam gata janmambulane minochitimo యాగశ్రేణులు ఏమేమి చేసితిమో ఎవరికేమి పెట్టితిమో ఏ చింతారతిం ప్రొద్దు పుచ్చితిమో సత్యములేమి పలికితిమో ఏ సిద్ధ ప్రదేశంబు ద్రొక్కితిమో ఇప్పుడు చూడంగంటిం ఇచటన్ కృష్ణ అర్భకున్ నిర్భయున్. వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ good deeds we have done in our past lives. We might have done some vratas, we might have done Bhagavad Aradhana, we might have done some social services, community services, we might have done some charities, we might have visited great places, divine places. Whatever that we probably have done, with all that great deeds, today we are able to again see our Balakrishna survived here. He came out from the mouth of death. This is all because of all of our good deeds in our past lives. And another surprising thing is, this Balakrishna doesn't have any kind of fear. Like that Nanda and other Gopalas thinking about and also remembering Vasudeva Vacho Bhuyo Manayamasa Vismitaha, remembering all the words of Vasudeva, whatever that he said, that there is going to be some dangerous things happening in Nanda Gokulam. Those words of Vasudeva, now Nanda and other Gopalas remembering and getting surprised. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala Krishna Rakshatuno జగత్రయ గురుః కృష్ణం నమస్యామ్యహం. కృష్ణే నామరశత్రవో వినిహతాః కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం కృష్ణస్య దాసోऽస్మ్యహం. కృష్ణే తిష్టతి విశ్వమేతదఖిలం హే కృష్ణ సంరక్ష మాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 9th chapter 19th శ్లోక. తపామి అహమహం వర్షం నిగృహ్ణామి ఉత్సృజామి చ అమృతం చైవ మృత్యుశ్చ సదసచ్చాహమర్జున. తపామ్యహమహం వర్షం నిగృహ్ణామి ఉత్సృజామి చ అమృతం చైవ మృత్యుశ్చ సదసచ్చాహమర్జున. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.